I am going to head out in these streets to go DJ a holiday party. Jesus. So it's okay right now. Just praying I get to the place safe and sound. So I won't be recording no more, but I just want to show you that it's kind of bad. I'm sliding all over. I'm all set up for my private event. And this is my view from East Bank. Pretty. All set to go. Hey, music box. Waiting for people to come. Hopefully they come because it's a big storm out right now. So hopefully they come. Blizzard ain't no joke. Oh my god, it is so windy out. Like you literally. Oh Lord, help me. Yo, I'm like an Eskimo. It's so crazy. Woo! Ooh, I gotta wait till my car warm up. I'm telling you, if this was a club, it would be my first time ever canceling a club appearance set. Because if this was a DJ set, I'd definitely be canceling. I would not be going out to no parties. This blizzard is crazy. I wonder if Taco Bell is open though. The snow ain't bad, it's just that wind. That wind is getting folks. Uh-oh. What's going on up there? Uh-oh. What's the matter? Folks are sliding. Oh, this car can't get out. Oh, no. Man, listen. I probably can't help. So I'll just keep driving home. Some scary shit going on here. And on top of that, y'all, I couldn't get up one hill. I didn't record it because I was just trying to get out of the situation, but I didn't get up one hill, so I had to go all the way around East Bank and try to go up another hill. I prayed so hard. I was like, God, please just get me through. Let me see what Taco Bell people talking about and then go home. That's all I want. That's all I want.